Dominelli Ford. Buy a Ford from Ferdie, get a Ford you can't afford. Get a Ford, a Dominelli Ford, and you've got Ferdie's word that it's been double-checked by the fussy Ferdie bird. Oh, the Ferdie bird, the Ferdie bird. He's a fussy little fella, is the Ferdie bird. He checks every single part of every single car, so that a Dominelli Ford is the best kind of Ford by far. And Ferdie had a word with the fussy Ferdie bird, and the Ferdie bird got busy right away, making sure that you get service for your Dominelli Ford in every department, right across the board, from the front door to the lubrication bay. Only Ferdie Dominelli has a fussy Ferdie bird, checking here and checking there every day. Checking here, checking there every day.